Most people wake up and instantly lose. The alarm rings, and before they even stretch, their mind is already chasing messages, news, stress, noise. But the Stoic wakes up like a warrior, calm, aware, not to react, but to reflect. Marcus Aurelius once wrote in Meditations, "When you arise in morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." In this video, I'll show you how to automate a peaceful Stoic morning routine using simple tools, so you can start each day in control, not chaos. Compass Chapter 1, Wake with Purpose. As soon as you wake up, do this. Don't touch your phone. Don't open social media. Instead, open your mind. Start with a quote. Use an app like Stoic Quotes and add a daily widget to your screen. Let your first thought come from wisdom, not the internet. Today's quote: "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. This is the first automation. Wisdom on your screen every morning. No scrolling. No distractions. Just clarity. Win Face, Chapter 2. Breathe like a philosopher. Before you move your body, center your breath. Install a free app like Breathwrk or Oak. Set a 1-minute morning session. 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out. Repeat. Why? Because most suffering comes from racing thoughts. Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Breathing clears imagination. It brings you to the now. This is your second automation. Daily silence, delivered by breath. World Map, Chapter 3. Write your inner compass. Open your Notion daily Stoic journal. If you don't have one, create a simple template with 3 questions. What is in my control today? What can I let go of? What matters most? Even better, connect ChatGPT to Notion using a prompt like, "Help me write a 3-line morning reflection based on Stoic teachings." Let the machine remind you of your humanity. This is your third automation. Clarity through daily writing. Mobile phone, Chapter 4. Set boundaries with technology. Now, open your digital space. But don't scroll, prepare. Use a tool like Google Calendar or Notion's task list to organize your top 3 priorities. Then use Forest app to block distractions for the first 90 minutes. Epictetus reminds us, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Be the master. Use tech to defend your peace, not destroy it. Repeat button, Chapter 5. Build a habit loop. Now automate the entire flow. Morning quote, Stoic Quotes App, auto notification. Breathing reminder, phone alarm label 1-minute calm. Journal prompt Notion or ChatGPT AI template. Deep work block Forest or Cold Turkey app. Make it so simple you can't skip it. The Stoics believed in repetition, not perfection. First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Epictetus. Automation? Open Book Chapter 6. Program your mind for focus. Now it's time to set your mind on track. You don't need to think about 100 things. Just choose one thing you will do with full focus. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to help you set that focus. Prompt it. Give me one meaningful task I should complete today based on my goals. Why? Because a Stoic knows. If you seek tranquility, do less. Do only what's essential. Marcus Aurelius. This is your next automation. Direct hit one deep task. One clear mission. AI helps you choose it. You commit. Light bulb Chapter 7. Set mental armor before the world hits. Life will throw things at you. Emails, messages, people's emotions. So before the world rushes in, use this automation. Mobile phone with arrow set a 3-minute reminder in Google Keep or To Do. What will I do if things go wrong today? This is called negative visualization, a powerful Stoic habit. You don't wish for bad things, but you prepare for them. Calmly, Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Let this reminder guide you into the day, armored in your mind. Person in Lotus Position, Chapter 8. Visual stillness with AI support. Open a calm visual, something that reminds you to slow down. It could be a minimalist background, a peaceful Stoic quote, or an AI-generated mountain view, set as your phone or desktop wallpaper. Automate peace into your eyes. Use DALL or Mid-Journey to generate your own Stoic art with a prompt like, "A lone philosopher walking the mountains at sunrise, peaceful, minimal style." Each time you open your phone, you see peace. Not noise, not comparison. Just a reminder, stillness is a key. Ryan Holiday, Hourglass Not Done Chapter 9. Track your progress without obsession. Don't obsess over perfection. Just track your effort. Use a simple habit tracker app like Everyday or Loop Habit Tracker. Check off, did I read a Stoic quote? Did I breathe mindfully? Did I reflect or journal? Over time, you see progress, not in streaks, but in strength. Progress is not achieved by luck or accident, but by working on yourself daily. Epictetus. Sunrise Chapter 10. Return to stillness again and again. Every morning is a new chance to return to what matters, to center yourself before the storm. And you don't have to think about how. You've automated it. This is not laziness. This is wisdom plus systems equals freedom. Because a Stoic doesn't try to control the world. He learns to control his reaction, his breath, his intention. And now, even his morning routine. Make it a rule never to give yourself the pleasure of being angry. Marcus Aurelius. You don't need more time. You need more inner order. And this is how you build it automatically. Sunrise Over Mountains, Chapter 11. Automate gratitude, the Stoic way. Before you start your work, pause. Be thankful, not fake, but real. Ask yourself, what in my life right now is enough? Use an app like Presently or set a Google Assistant reminder to ask you this daily. This is called premeditatio bonorum, thinking of the good you already have. Seneca said, true happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. Gratitude is not weakness. It's strength automated. Scroll Chapter 12. Prepare for resistance. Some mornings will feel heavy, lazy, confused. You won't want to follow your routine. So automate encouragement. Set up a morning voice note or AI-generated message that plays when you wake up. Do what you must, not what you feel like. Marcus Aurelius fought the same resistance. At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I am rising to do the work of a human being. Don't wait for motivation. Design it. Schedule it. Hear it. Compass Chapter 13. Build a command center in Notion. Create a digital Stoic command center. Use Notion to combine your quotes, journal prompts, daily plans, top 3 life values. One guiding Stoic question for the day. Why? Because the mind forgets. Systems remember. This is your inner fortress. No more waking up lost. You'll know where to go every time. Counterclockwise Arrows Button Chapter 14. Let the routine evolve. Don't force perfection. Let the system grow. Every week, ask AI, how can I improve my morning routine based on my habits? Feed it your progress. Let it give you feedback. This becomes your Stoic accountability partner. Automated. Like Epictetus said, progress begins with self-awareness. The system grows. And so do you. Milky Way Chapter 15. Create a Stoic wake-up alarm. Use your alarm not just to wake, but to wake up your soul. Set your alarm sound to a Stoic quote with soft background music. Example, headphone, you could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think. Marcus Aurelius. Imagine starting your day with that energy, that presence, that truth.